Hi, welcome to the Dow Market View for Friday the 12th of September 2014. Starting off with the unqualified signals, we had one here at 14.30, we've got one at 16.10, and then later on in the evening 18.45. So let me just remove those off the screen now. We're aware of those, so let's just come up to PTP show unqualified, and then I'm just going to do the same for the triple X there as well, so we can remove those now. And this leaves us with two signals for yesterday. We had the short trade first, which came in about an hour and a half in. This is just at 15:25, so it's just an hour into the trading session there. This is an issue here, the BRN of 17,000. The market managed to trade through it, but not with high volume. The market then was retested at the support one, where we see prices starting to turn and reverse. So the maximum in this trade yesterday is 20 pips, and as I've said before, the 17,000 is a very important level. So the fact that it went through was good. But then we see the testing in the market, and then prices finding support and moving back to the upside. The next signal is at 17.10. 17.10 is a funny time of the day, which I've mentioned before. Most traders will have cleared off at this point and gone for lunch, as it's New York, of course. So again, it's if you take it, there's a loss there of 17 points. The market trading up to the 17,050 area on there is some buying there, but then the market puts in a straight reversal and we see prices come back down to more or less where we saw them give the sell signal there. The market tested again, buying coming back into the market. The low of the test not taken out, even though the low of the buying bar is, but again not on selling. So the market then free just to drift back up to the 17,050 level before the end of the trading session. Very narrow range yesterday, as we will see when we just move over to the daily chart. You see prices there are inside of yesterday's range, or the previous day's range I should say, not yesterday's. And let me just close that, give it a bit more room. So yesterday's high and low inside the range of the previous day's high and low, and we got this sort of lower high situation going on at the moment, but the market's still finding support at the psychological 17,000. To move higher is going to require a new bout of buying to drive prices back up to the upside there and back to the all-time high of 17,160. The market is stuck in a sideways trading range, although, as I've just mentioned, we have got these lower highs over the last few days, so a bit more weakness there to the upside. Nobody's really interested at this time. The only news we've got today starts off at 1:30 with core retail sales for the US. This is forecast to show an increase, which is likely to be positive for the Dow. And then we've got retail sales also at 1:30. This is also to show an improvement as well. So again, adding to the upside potential there. Prelim UOM consumer sentiment. This one's out at 5 minutes to 3. So the market will have been open 25 minutes. So again, forecast to be higher. So what it's going to come out as, I don't know, but it's certainly forecast to be higher, and we could therefore see a move to the upside, especially if we've had a move already with the core retail sales. Then this comes out higher as well, then we're likely to see the markets move higher for most of the trading session. So that's it for today, also for the week as we head into the weekend. Wishing you a pleasant weekend, and as ever, thank you for your support, and as ever, thanks for watching.